In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PayPal link. If you want to make it easier for someone to send you money through PayPal, sharing your personal PayPal link is a quick and convenient option. Instead of giving people extra instructions or asking them to search for your account manually, you can simply copy your link and send it directly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to share it. To begin, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and on your account summary page. From there, look for the Send and Request section. This is the area PayPal uses for sending money, requesting payments, and managing the people you interact with. Go ahead and click on Send and Request to open the next screen. Once you're in that section, you'll see more options related to payments and contacts. Here, you want to find and click Show All Contacts. This will open your full contacts area where PayPal displays the people and sharing options connected to your account. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the page carefully, since layout positions can sometimes vary slightly depending on your device or account view. After opening the contacts page, look for the copy option. This is the button that lets you copy your PayPal link directly to your clipboard. Click copy and your link will be ready to paste wherever you want to share it. At this point, you can send that link through a message, email, social media, or any other platform you normally use to communicate with people. When someone clicks your link, it helps them get to the right place faster, which makes the payment process much smoother. As a helpful tip, after copying the link, it's a good idea to paste it somewhere briefly just to confirm it copied correctly before sending it out. That can save time and avoid confusion, especially if you're sharing it with a customer, client, or anyone sending you money for the first time. And that's all it takes to share your PayPal link. Open Send and Request, go to Show All Contacts, and click Copy. Once that's done, your link is ready to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.